Question 2, they've already defined t as the time for the 100-meter sprint, and we just got a part A, standard sort of stuff. Find the probability that t is lower than 12 seconds. So our usual conversion, take away the mean and divide by the standard deviation. So we're looking at trying to find out what's the probability that z is lower than minus 1.138. It's going to be a low number, minus 1.38. Looking that up on the calculator gives us 0.084566 on the calculator. Slightly different if you use the tables. The interesting one here is part B though. What time can she expect to be once in 100 races? Well, once in 100 races, of course, is 1 out of 100, so it's 0.1. So her time, her chance of being all the way down here is going to be just 0.01. 0.01. Very, very unlikely to beat it. Well, what's this value here going to be? Like we did in the last review sheet, flip it round and say, well, if you just were going to be 0.01 at that time, that would make 99% of them down here, and that value there, if you look up the 0.99, that gives us a 2.32 value. So the value down here must be minus 2.32. So just unwrapping that, it's the probability that that t is less than some value that we're going to try and figure out. It's the probability that z is lower than t minus the mean divided by the standard deviation, and we want that to be 0.01. The 0.01 converts to a minus 2.32 standard deviations below the mean, times by the 1.6 and add the 14.2 gives the time she's only going to beat once in every 100 times is going to be 10.48 seconds.